Welcome to Gautam Brothers the Unschoolers. Today I've got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of these police trucks. Well, I'll show you what they are. They're supposed to be cop cars because, police. As you can see, it's written everywhere. These ones are going out for a chase. Let's show the animation. Wee. Okay, maybe not like that. So, let me show you all the lights. 1, 2, just kidding. I want to show you the tower first. There's this massive beacon at the top because, to let planes know, and there are lights on it. See? There are lights here, all on the sides. Now, I'll show you the truck. Nothing in the inside, as you can see, pretty empty. But there's some sirens and a little siren here. I'll show you. First of all, let me show you the sirens because, it's a police vehicle, so you obviously should see the sirens first. The sirens are 100. The emission is 100. So let's go to emission and type 100. That's the blue siren. Let's do the same for the red. The white, which is actually to blind someone who's trying to look at you in their RVM, rear view mirror. Then we have the spotlights, which are very bright. They're to eliminate any dark areas and any blind spots to find a bad guy if he's hiding. See, they're super bright. Now we have the headlights. The tail lights, the reverse lights, the hazards, and that's it. Or is it? I actually made 2 variations. This normal one, which I just showed you, and this other one here, which is a sport car, which is specifically designed to illuminate the whole area. It also has floodlights to absolutely make it very bright. As you see, these sport cars are way brighter. You see, this is a sport car and this is the normal car. They have a lot of lights. Hope you like the video. Bye.